What's the meaning of coach house? Coach house. Coach house.
Coach house. Coach house. A coach house is a building that was historically used to house horse-drawn carriages and coaches. Nowadays, coach houses are often converted into separate living quarters or rental properties. These buildings typically have large doors that open to the street for easy access, and some even have living quarters above the space for the carriages. Coach houses can be found in many cities around the world, and their history and unique design make them popular choices for those looking for a unique living space with character.